What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. And you guys, we are going to throw our own little party again due to our birthday, so I'm stoked for that. Let me go ahead and you guys, so my dad's got the Camaro popping over there. Dude, that thing looks so clean. It's been so long since I've driven that car. Oh, that looks beautiful, you guys. That car is so aggressive. I tell you guys, that car is so aggressive. We got our Mustang right here. It looks really good. I mean, this car is pretty mint for the year it is, but honestly there's no comparison because that car over there, you guys, it just looks so sinister. I mean, look at that. Dude, that thing just looks so killer. Like everything about this car, my god, that is work. Jesus Christ. The boy Ramiro, I like the little pinstripe he did on the wheels. You see that? It's rap. He did it himself, I think. Oh, yeah. Damn, that's crazy. Look, we got Ramiro, we got Cactus in the vlog, and we got our beautiful cars out here. Crazy. All right, you guys. Yeah. So introduce yourself. We got Hugo in the vlog. He has 2 bikes that he likes to ride along, and he likes to track them as well. Yeah. And I want to say thank you to him because he was the first one to show up to the meet. And we got our boy. Hello. Ramiro right here, second one to the meet, or quote unquote meet. I hope people show up because I don't think they're gonna show up, or at least not too many people. Oh, almost got run over. Hey, you gotta send me the footage of the 2-step though, because he made that alarm go off. Got all the boys there. Look at this. Come on, we're gonna go fucking. Dude, why am I so short, bro? We got a cool little lineup though. Look at this. Damn, you guys, check this super cool lineup. We got Mustangs, Audis. We got our beautiful Camaro here. We have to go drop off a Ghost at home. We got Ramiro in the vlog, and yeah, you guys, we should be going out to some fun little car meet here, and we should be able to go roll out in a second. So let's go ahead and do that.
Shout out to Victor. He forgot his phone. Goofy, I'm over here calling his
Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Damn, you guys, this hair has got me crazy dummy. But anyways, you guys, we are currently in the blue Mustang right here. We're gonna try and attempt to swap out the bumpers, which is the front Cobra bumper and the rear Cobra bumper, to the Bullet. And I know they're gonna be blue, and I know they're gonna look kind of weird, but I want to get it done before, you know, like, I don't know, I have a lot of projects to do, and I want to get that done. We got little bro Gio here back in the channel again. He's gonna help us work on the cars themselves. So we got, like I said, baby Mia right here, and we're gonna attempt to swap that bumper, which is obviously the 99 to 01 Cobra bumper, on to this beauty right here, the Bullet right there. And it's gonna look kind of sketchy, yes, I know, but it has to get done because I don't want to be driving this thing and risk, you know, getting like hit or anything done to this bumper. So with that being said, you guys, once I start painting the whole bumper black, I'm gonna do everything, the scoops, the lip, everything. I'm going to go ahead and paint it black so it can look brand new again. So don't worry, you know, it's all coming. So let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so again, we have the Bullet right here. Beautiful black paint, you guys. I mean, I'm honestly in shock for how good this, you know, paint looks for the age it is, for, you know, for how old the car is. And we got our beat up Mia right here. She's honestly been so neglected, and I feel super sorry, but I mean, she's been a hell of a car, and she's honestly, you know, helped me a lot with the channel because she's the one who started this whole thing. So, you know, I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of this car. Or, I mean, I say that now. Sometimes I do get the urge to sell it, but who knows. Let's go ahead and try and pop that hood as well, and let's see if we can take off maybe, you know, the bumper. Look at you guys, look at the difference between the engine bay from this car to this car. I mean, look how black this thing looks. It looks brand new. And then we have our neglected Mustang over here. It looks really, really dirty, except for that paint that I spray painted because I do have the open vent now. And yeah, you guys, I mean, they're the same year car, which is, you know, kind of funny, but obviously you can tell which one has had more love and which one has been a bit more neglected, you guys. All right, you guys, so I think our first step is gonna remove these zip ties right here that are holding the, I believe this is the grill delete kit from one end and another, and the same on this car right here. So I ended up removing the headlight for a little bit just to get access to some bolts that I had drilled into, some screws that I had drilled into the, I guess, like the metal sheets here. I don't know what they are. They're the things, the plates that hold the light. And the reason for that is because my tab on the right side broke actually, and I was kind of nervous with riding with it, you know, without tabs on the side. So I actually ended up drilling into the plates here, and the bumper held up fine. I believe this side is actually being held on by the bolts themselves, so we have nothing to worry on this side. But I did do that for this side, and all I did was basically remove the, I guess, like the wheel liner right here. And you're gonna see your here, let me see. So I removed this thing right here, and inside here, like right around there, are your tabs, which this car does not have anymore. You know, pretty funny, but yeah. All right, you guys, so for my situation, those two brackets with 4 bolts, 2 on each side, is going to be the only thing that I need to do in order for me to remove my bumper. Obviously, this is a Cobra. These, I believe these, since they're stock bumpers, they do have some bolts going underneath from the car, as well as the ones that I mentioned earlier, but I am not too sure. So I'm going to take my time, and I'm gonna run you guys through with it. Again, in order for you guys to, you know, undo this thing, you guys are gonna need to turn the wheel right here, undo this bolt, remove the fender liner, like pop it out, and there's gonna be the bracket right here. You're gonna undo those bolts. Once you get those undone, you're gonna bolt basically the new bumper on. And then I believe this one has some on the bottom. I'm not too sure. Let me check this thing out. Let's get down and dirty here. And it looks like it does not. So I believe we should be good to go. And same process, you guys, and it should be fairly easy for you guys to remove your bumper as well. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and start this thing. Both bumpers off. We have the Bullet one and the GT bumper completely off. As you guys can see, the GT bumper looks like it's smiling, whereas the Cobra bumper looks like it's angry, and it's like super mean, super aggressive. And I honestly just love the way that the Cobra bumper looks as compared to the GT standard bumper. This one right here, funny, you know, matter of fact, it's funny because this is almost identical to a like V6 bumper, and the only difference between this one, Bullet, and the V6 one is that the V6 has a little like line going through it, but it has no fog lights. And whereas, you know, the GTs, the, let's say, Mach 1s, Cobras, they all have fog lights, and the Bullet and the V6 don't have fog lights. So fun fact, there you guys have it. Let's go ahead and swap both bumpers. And these are the brackets that I am telling you about. There goes 2 nuts on each bracket, both on both sides, and this one does not have it. So I lost my bracket, but I do have it on the other side. That should be enough. And guys, take a look at this intake. I do have to change the filter. It is a little dirty, obviously. I mean, it's getting direct airflow from the front of the car, which is crazy to think about. I am thinking about painting this right now because I do have it white on this car, and it could look pretty damn good in blue. So I'm gonna try blue first, and then we're gonna switch off to white eventually if I do not like it, you guys. And we are back, you guys. We are currently going to hit phase 2 of this whole swapping out the cars. and or I mean the parts on the cars, and we got the bullet right there. I didn't quite get with through with showing you guys how the car looks under the sunlight, because it did get pretty dark after I was finished. But there you have it. This is how the V6 is looking. Like I said in a previous vlog, I don't know if I'm a sell her yet. I have to really consider a lot of my options and like what I want to do, what my heart desires to do. But as it's looking right now, this might just possibly be some of the last videos with the car if I don't end up changing my mind, you guys. And I know I said I wouldn't sell her, but you know, from the looks of it, you guys, I just don't have any use for this car but to like daily drive it. And it's not even good at that because the parts are getting old, so I'd have to get myself a newer car. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and bring this bullet out, show it to you guys under the sunlight, and let's start swapping those rear bumpers because I'm too excited to do this thing, you guys. Actually, you guys, we're gonna leave the car here because there is pretty good shade here. Let me just show you the bumper, how it looks right now. See, on camera, it's a very, like, actually on camera you can see the difference of the color a lot more than in person. It's a lot darker in person. But that looks really good. It looks really aggressive. It's just dirty, so I need to clean that up a little bit. And I have to fix some minor things right here left. And you know, like the car, like I said, you guys, it has a lot of things that I could take care of, and that's a good thing because I definitely want to bring out content to you guys a lot. And you know, we might get rid of that car and possibly get another one. Who knows? We still haven't decided. But I'm just a little, you know, heartbroken. I don't know. I feel like I have to really consider a lot of my options. But without further ado, you guys, let's start taking that bumper off because that one's going to be the easier one to take off. All right, you guys. And for this bumper right here, you have to take off, I believe it's 2 to 4. I'm not sure. I'll tell you guys once I take everything off. But it's 2 to 4 bolts on this side, 2 to 4 bolts on that side. And there should be some in the middle holding the bumper, as well as maybe some underneath as well. I am not too sure yet. I hope, yeah, these little tabs right here that you guys are seeing on the screen, that one right there, and there's another one right here, you guys are gonna have to remove those, which is not that difficult, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with this thing and let's make this car popping. You know what, you guys, I think I am gonna back out the Camaro because I haven't turned it on in a couple of days, so it's gonna be a really loud cold start, and I'm kind of excited for that. But I also want to bring this car in because it is getting kind of hot out here, and I'm trying to get as most shade as possible, so you guys. So without further ado, cold start. Guys, that's loud. Oh shit. Dude, that thing's really loud. Guys, so first and foremost, you guys are gonna have to undo these little bolts right here, ratchet that you could fit somewhat of a bolt on. It'll be a lot easier for you because then you won't have to remove the whole wheel. So yeah, you guys, you have to remove these two and the same on the other side. And just like that, we removed the GT bumper off of the Bullet, and now we're gonna go on to this Cobra bumper that I need to paint. I know it's a little messy. I know you guys are probably thinking like, oh, why are you guys putting such an ugly bumper on this? But this is going to be fixed eventually, and this already comes with the splats, so I'm more than excited for that, you guys. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and swap this onto that. All right, you guys, so we're about, I'd say, a good 80% done swapping the bumpers from one Mustang to another. This does look a little sketchy. I mean, I love the car in black and I do plan on painting it black, but for right now obviously it's gonna be blue and black. However though, the car doesn't look bad, it just looks somewhat weird, I guess. And this one also looks somewhat weird, but I'm not gonna focus too much on painting these. I'm gonna let the car be, or I'm gonna let the car go how the bumpers sit right now. We still have a lot of work to do. I plan on putting that little diffuser on, see if it looks kind of good on the car, and we'll go from there, you guys. We'll see what goes on next.